Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soup makers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick soup, blend smoothies, or create plant-based milk, these soup makers bring versatility and convenience to your kitchen. You can find links to all of the products in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Spoon Lemon 1.6-liter soup maker machine. This programmable soup maker offers a combination of stylish design and functionality. With its 1.6-liter capacity, it's perfect for families or small gatherings, allowing you to prepare up to 4 servings of soup in one go. It features both smooth and chunky settings, giving you the flexibility to create creamy soups or hearty, textured broths in as little as 21 to 28 minutes. The build quality is impressive, with a durable stainless steel body that adds a sleek, modern look to your kitchen while ensuring long-lasting performance. It also includes self-cleaning functionality, which is a huge time saver. Safety features like anti-dry burn protection and overfill sensors make it user-friendly and safe to operate even for beginners. However, compared to some higher-end models, it doesn't offer as many advanced features or multifunctionality. For those looking for a no-fuss soup maker with reliable performance, the Spoon Lemon model delivers well. However, given its limited versatility compared to higher-ranked options, it's best suited for users who primarily want a dedicated soup maker. Pros include its ease of use, self-cleaning mode, and safety features, while the lack of additional blending modes or advanced controls is a drawback. A solid option, but not the most versatile on the list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Pot-Lime Pen 1.6-liter soup maker. This 6-in-1 multifunctional appliance is designed to simplify your cooking with its 6 preset programs. It allows you to prepare smooth or chunky soups, blend smoothies, and even offers a dry burn prevention feature to ensure safety during use. Its intuitive LCD control panel makes it easy to operate, even for those new to soup makers. With sturdy stainless steel construction, this model ensures durability and longevity. Its one-touch operation makes it great for quick soup preparation, with cooking times ranging between 20 and 30 minutes. Additionally, the overfill sensors prevent spills, which is a thoughtful touch. However, it lacks the versatility of higher-end models, as it's mainly focused on soups and blending functions. This soup maker is ideal for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use appliance without breaking the bank. While its features are practical, the lack of a self-cleaning mode and fewer blending options limit its appeal for more versatile kitchen use. A great choice for straightforward soup making, but it won't replace other kitchen gadgets you may already own. Taking the 3rd spot is another model from Pot-Lime Pan, the Soup Maker 2L. This upgraded version boasts a larger capacity, making it perfect for families or meal preppers who need 4 to 6 servings in one batch. With 6 preset programs, including smooth, chunky, blend, and even a dedicated reheat mode, this is a step up in versatility. The 2L model features strong stainless steel blades designed for efficient blending, ensuring a smooth texture for soups, baby food, and even smoothies. The overfill detection sensor is a nice safety feature, and the clean function simplifies maintenance, though it's not fully automatic. This model is ideal for those who want a multifunctional appliance with a generous capacity, but it lacks advanced heating profiles seen in some competitors. Pros include its large capacity, versatile settings, and durable build. However, it doesn't offer the same speed as higher-ranked models. And the single-speed blending might feel limiting to advanced users. Overall, it's a reliable mid-range option for families or those with diverse meal prep needs. In 2nd place is the Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker. Philips is a household name in kitchen appliances, and this soup maker delivers on its promise of convenience and performance. With a 1.2-liter capacity, it's perfect for smaller households, offering 2 to 4 servings per batch. The standout feature here is its Soup Pro technology, which can prepare fresh, perfectly textured soup in just 18 minutes. This model offers 6 preset programs, including options for pureed soup, chunky soup, and smoothies, among others. Its sleek black and stainless steel design adds a premium feel, and the included recipe book with 38 ideas is a nice touch for inspiration. While it lacks a self-cleaning feature, its easy-to-clean design compensates. The smaller capacity may not be ideal for larger families, but its speed and precision make it a top contender. The Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker is perfect for singles, couples, or smaller households who value speed and quality. Pros include its fast cooking time, durable build, and versatile functions. The primary downside is its smaller capacity, which might not suit everyone. Still, it's an excellent choice for quick, delicious soups and more. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kittisel 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker Machine. This is the ultimate kitchen multitasker, offering 10 functions that allow you to make not only soups, but also nut milks, smoothies, and more. Its 35 ounces, approximately 1 liter capacity, may be slightly less than some competitors, but its combination of features more than makes up for it. The 12-hour delay start and keep warm functions add unmatched convenience, making it perfect for busy schedules. The Kittisel machine boasts a user-friendly touchscreen interface and powerful stainless steel blades that ensure consistently smooth results. It's also BPA-free, which is a great plus for health-conscious users. The self-cleaning feature makes post-cooking cleanup a breeze. While it's slightly smaller than other models, its versatility and precision make it ideal for those who want a single appliance for multiple tasks. Pros include its multifunctionality, advanced features like delay start and keep warm, and exceptional build quality. The only downside is its slightly smaller capacity, which might require extra batches for larger families. Overall, the Kittisel Nut Milk Maker is the most versatile and feature-rich soup maker on this list, making it our top pick for 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.